Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to our channel. And boy, do we have a treat for you today. I hope you're ready to get into the holiday spirit because we're kicking off our sneak peeks for our October box of the month. And the theme is Christmas critters. As always, I'll be doing a 5-day sneak peek countdown until release day. The release day is going to be on October 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. And trust me, you're going to love what's in store. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a day of sneak peeks. So let's dive in. I'm going to share this gorgeous 6x6 paper pad called Sparkling Christmas Wishes. We got a beautiful shabby chic vibe. Very, very, very cute. This is a beautiful page with some poinsettias on a pink background. And I love this pink Christmas tree design. And then we've got this nice blue with red polka dots. We've got some red bows and a white background with some pine cones. A light mint green with some Christmas trees. And then we've got this really cute page with these really cute icons. We have an owl, a stocking, a wreath, a rose, a poinsettia, a peppermint, candy cane. And then we've got a page with the wreaths and then the blue background. And then we've got some frosty blue poinsettias on a pink background, and then this really pretty green plaid. Really, really pretty. Nice dainty polka dots on this one. The red poinsettias on a white background. Some cookies, a nice pale pink plaid. Some more poinsettias and some holly. Some Christmas trees on a white background, and then this lovely plaid with like a red and a pink. A very light pink background with some holly and the cookies. And then I think our patterns are going to repeat. So you get 2 of each design in this one. And let's dive into the ephemera. Now this ephemera is really gorgeous. So we wanted to give you a holiday box so you have plenty of time to get those holiday cards done. So let's dive into the beautiful ephemera. It matches perfectly. We've got some beautiful trees in here with a nice red bow on the top, different sizes, different gingerbread homes here, and some angels with different hair colors and skin tones and different sizes. We've got a 2-tier tray with some really cute stuff on there. There's little houses and trees and cookies. This image here with the little peppermint stick and bow is really adorable. We've got some single candy canes. Here's another little gingerbread house. And then these really cute watercolored poinsettias with the little berries. The cute little bird. This is a really cute owl. There's a cute little puppy. Some Christmas ornaments and candles. There's some in different sizes. We've got a little ornament that says love. Here's another mug. There's a little pink poinsettia. Here's another gingerbread house. A cute little mason jar with some florals. Cute little owl. Candles. The fox is really adorable. Here's a close-up of that little puppy. And there's ornaments in different colors. So it looks like you get 3 of those mugs. Here's 2 cute windows with little wreath on them. Here's another little mug with some gingham on it. That's really cute. Here's another candy cane, another ornament, another bird, and then there's 2 tiny little poinsettias. That is just a really beautiful collection. These ephemera pieces are designed to perfectly complement the paper pad. So from adorable critters to festive baubles, you'll have everything you need to add extra charm to your projects. So I'm gonna share a card that I created using this ephemera here and the paper pad. And here are 2 cards I created with the collection. They turned out really, really pretty. I added some stickles to the little candy cane and the ornaments. Just added a touch of glitter. I used our brand new sparkle dots to top off these cards. I'll share that in a moment. I added some stickles to the poinsettia there and used the sentiment, "May your days be merry and bright." You're going to see that sentiment in the upcoming days in one of the stamp sets in the box of the month. So this collection here will be in your box of the month and your junior box of the month. Now you can purchase the box as a one-time purchase, or you can subscribe and get 18% off and get your box delivered to you automatically every 30 days. So to subscribe, you'll see a drop-down menu that says choose your frequency. You'll choose monthly, and then you'll see the 18% discount in your shopping cart. If you wanted to grab this month's box, you can head on over to the shop and subscribe now, and that will reserve your box for next month as well. I can already imagine all the beautiful cards, gift tags, and festive decor you can create with sparkling Christmas wishes and its coordinating ephemera. But remember, this is just the beginning. I'll have more exciting sneak peeks lined up for you, featuring other exclusive items from the October Box of the Month Christmas critters. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you won't miss a single sneak peek. You won't want to miss what we have in store for you for your holiday season. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned for more crafting. Until next time, keep spreading joy through creativity. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. Bye, guys.